Okay, so Manoj, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA and a big congratulations for the show.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So
Thanks.
nervous, excited, happy, confident.
Uh, Excited, of course. Very happy, of course. Yeah, bit nervous.
Okay, so it's going to release on 16 December, and of course, when it will release, people will see the content. But tell me something, having such a content, okay, which is inspired by true events and having such marvelous actors, how is the responsibility and how challenging it becomes?
So since the script level, the content was very strong. It was very well written. So half of your job is done because the script is so strong. So, but the responsibility also doubles. Primarily we wanted to have a great actors on board and who will with ease perform most of the characters, which we managed to do. So yeah, so with great actors and great content comes great responsibility. So yeah, so it was, but it actually went it was quite effortless. It really went very smooth, and we were very well planned. We had actually everything was very well executed. We had, so a lot of things came well on paper as well as on screen. Yeah.
Right. What was your exact reaction? Because it is, I mean, it's in the teaser, it is written, it is inspired by true events. Many people are saying it's from the Vyapam scam and all that stuff. So, what was your reaction when this project came to you? What was your vision?
So, see, first of all, this is inspired by a lot of true events which happened in and around our, mostly in our country, all the true events. So, it's clearly from all those incidents which happened, and this has been taken. So, all those events which has been taken by the writers and researchers has been made from that.
Okay.
So it's clearly. So I mean, of course, it was very well thoroughly researched, and there was so much in detail in terms of the in terms of the whole gamut of the whole process and everything. So we were very clear in what way we had to go ahead, and what way we had to execute, and we were in that way very sorted in the way we had to go ahead with it. Yeah.
Any insight which you want to give that ये web series किस context से deal करेगी? Anything which you want to say?
Mostly, so basically, this is, I would rather say, this is more like from an execution point of view, we wanted to keep it very believable and real, and yet build a world which is around the show, which is, which makes it quite real and believable, and also have a sort of execution which would bring a lot of refreshing scenes in terms of scenes, in terms of mounting the show. Everything has a lot of refreshing thoughts gone into it. So that's something we are looking for, and we want people to watch it and react accordingly.
Since whatever we have seen in the teaser, it is related to the education, feel and the scams which happens over there, in the examination hall. So, उस context में viewers को क्या देखने मिलेगा?
So it's basically, it's not related to any particular scam which happened. It's not related to any scam per se. It is based on a lot of true events which has happened in and around in our country. So there's a lot of things which has been taken from the true events and then been sketched out and then made into in the canvas which has been mounted. So what they would, of course, the with audience would really enjoy the way it has been executed, the way it's been written, the way the whole, the pace of the whole series. It's got a really interesting graph of each character, and also the narrative is also very interesting. So we have one thing which we are very clear is each episode is like each film.
Okay.
So it's like it's like everything has been done that way. So I mean, it's quite an pacey and entertaining and very grippy show for them.
And anything which you want to say about the cast of your web series?
See, the best thing about the cast is everyone. The best part about this show, the cast, is everyone fitted the character very well. Like it was, whether it's Ankita, whether it's Ritvik, whether it's Sonali ma'am or Sachin sir or Ravi Kishan, everyone fitted the character so beautifully that it was absolutely, like it felt like it's we are not actually making them act, but they are actually flowing with their own instincts, and that really made a lot of difference. It made it so believable and natural.
Right. They said that you were a gem of a director, but you also mentioned that people also address you as a terror to work with. So anything which you want to say on those lines?
No. So I no. My primarily my job is to head the whole unit and head the whole team, and so I didn't. I mean, of course, I wanted a very easy working environment, but yet, so the best thing which what I wanted to bring was the clarity. So what happens is most of the time, if there is no clarity, people get, we can run here and there. So we actually came with a lot of clarity. So that's when my prep and everything came in picture. We were very well prepped. So for that reason, my team and everyone actors including, we prepped it. I mean, we were thorough with our prep and everything. So that really made it easy for us.
Last two question. Any specific actor, any specific scene which you were really excited about and you were taken aback?
There were a lot of scenes, but there are, I can't point out one scene, but there are a lot of such scenes which really has come out beautifully and which is really, beyond expectation, the way it's performed. Sometimes you would have expected the scene to happen in certain way, but when they perform, it really, it takes 3 notch up. So there are a lot of such scenes, especially one scene with Sanket I really remember, which comes in episode 6. So Sanket's, there is the end scene of episode 6 of Sanket that really has come out. It's a very impactful scene, and similarly with Sonali ma'am, there is one very beautiful scene. So even with Ankita, there is one. So everyone has one.
You can't pick one.
Yeah, I can't pick one.
Okay. Anything lastly, message to the fans that every web series, people are really excited right now about OTT content, and so anything which you want to say to the fans कि क्या expect कर सकते हैं and किस तरह की web series होगी ये?
See, I would say this is a well made show because it's well written show, so it's thoroughly engaging. So I would say it's a quite engaging show, so they would not be disappointed. Audience will be really, I think the engaging point would be something which the audience would hook onto, and there's lot hooks which happens in the show, so it's actually keeping that that cliffhanger moment and keeping the edge of the seat moment will be there for them.
Thank you so much, Manoj, and all the best for the show. Thank you so much.